Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is Sunday, the only time I got to do this gardening stuff with JJ.
Yeah!
So, I'm on my phone, not on my camera. Lexton is over there really quick. That'll be a short story later. But let's turn you around and show you what we're doing.
Yeah!
So we are cleaning up the front bed. I am cutting down the vines that are dead. If the tomatoes fall, we're picking them up. And guess what we got?
A yellow watermelon!
We have the yellow watermelon. Yay! So I've been cutting up the flowers, putting them in my flower buckets for another day. And then I'm just gonna continue cleaning up the rest of the bed for today. Look at Campbell. Say hi to Campbell. Honey, wave to your fans. He can only wave with one hand. So I don't think I'm gonna get any tomatoes from this plant. So I'm gonna tear this one up. That watermelon is ready. We do have like 3 more over there somewhere that we have to look and see. And then I've been picking the flowers as they're dried. These watermelons still don't have a spot on them. Hi, honey.
What do you think so far?
So we cleaned it up. Here's what we got. Let's give people. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Here's the pepper plants. I've been picking peppers. I should clean up this tomato plant. Love this one right here, the borage. It looks beautiful. It gave me lots of. I got 2 leeks that came up from the other leeks, which it was nice. And that's it. Let's see. Oh, my tomato.
So I'm gonna make a big one next to you.
Yes. I don't want no bees. You got it? Next to me.
Can I put it back inside?
Go inside with the apple. You got it? We have potatoes growing. So little by little, I've been cleaning up house. The buckets are next. Look at Campbell doing his thing. He still can't move the right side that well, so we are to do therapy 3 times a week. Starting this week just for an hour for speech, his OT, PT, and speech. But he's doing very well. Thank you for the prayers. Alright guys, so I moved the greenhouse out the way. The sun is in my eye because it's very late, so we moved the greenhouse. Now I'm picking some of the tomatoes. This is my green compost bin that I've been throwing the eggs and the coffee in. I got potatoes growing. There was 2 other bins that had potatoes, but nothing's been growing. See, go check around there. I see 2 tomatoes that we can pick. Over there, the big ones. You're hot. Hot. The peppers have been growing that way. Sorry for the interruption of JJ. Where? I don't know. It look yellow from here, so you gotta look on it yourself. So I'm still grabbing plenty of tomatoes. I have done I have about 12 bags of gallon tomatoes, and I want to say, go back, JJ. The bucket is open. Seriously, bro. Seriously.
I know, but
It's okay. You're acting like this is the first time you ever done this. Here, grab these. Put it in the bucket. Take the green stuff. My little helper is really not helping. Let's see. The peppers, I've been picking them as I go. Some of them are not that big to pick. All right, grab the bucket. I saw another one. Yeah? No, I'm coming in. All right, so we're picking them as we go. It's been raining like crazy, so it's been really hard to try to come out here and do stuff and pick stuff. Maybe tomorrow is supposed to be warm again, so maybe I'll come back tomorrow and do what I have to do. So you can see the plants are dying down, so I take what I get what I take. Come on, honey.
You got so much water.
Yes, I know, that's from the rain.
Can I throw it out?
Wow, that's a lot of water. Put it inside. Can you? No, that's glass. Hold on.
That's a lot of water.
Wow, that is 7 inches of water. Wait, stop. You're gonna end up. That was a lot of water, but that was like 5 days of rain. Wow. But, yep, just trying to keep up with this stuff. So, like I said, I have about 12 bags of,
Peppers.
no, tomatoes, ripe tomatoes, where gallon bags, and I have done so far 6 out of the 12 bags, and we're still picking tomatoes. 3 bags gave me 6 quarts, and the other 3 bags gave me, oh, here's the beets, 12 pints. So, all right, guys, like I said, an unusual video, but hopefully good enough for you guys, keeping up all this stuff. As you saw, Campbell is walking sort of like a robot. But I'm sure with therapy and time, he will get all his stuff good to go. The house is a mess, garden is a mess, but we do what we have to do to continue this life of trying to be homesteaders. The other thing was, we don't know for sure what's permanent damage for Mr. Campbell, because you gotta wait about 6 to 8 months before they know what's actually permanent. And we will be doing, obviously, going to regular doctors and stuff like that. The only thing we do notice right now that's kind of weird is everything he eats tastes like metal. Not sure if that's normal for a stroke patient. He can't move the right arm, but he's moving the leg. So thank you for the prayers. God bless. Don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I hope we can catch up, right, JJ?
Yeah.
To another video, another day, some other time. Bye.